Alright, this is a zombie attack. Apocalypse starting with this weapon called the MP5 killer.
Exactly, we can't see it. It's too dark right now.
It's okay. Nobody cares.
Alright, now, I saw about 3 or 4 of y'all last night. Now I want y'all to come out right now. Come on! Alright, come on, we're just gonna walk. We gotta find an escape route, come on.
Don't ride that scooter. It's too slow.
I know. Right now. Come on. Get her back. Quiet. I want y'all to come out. Woo! Come on, zombies. Walkers. Dead people. Come on. I'm getting tired of waiting. Come on. There's a dog.
Where?
Come on, dog. Just don't move. Alright, back it up. Get that football over there. Take it back.
Can't throw that good.
Let's see. Alright, come on. Come out, zombies! Oh my god, I see them! They just come out from underneath the house.
Ah! Mama!
Get down from the hay bale! Get down from the hay bale! Get down!
Mama! 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 Got your back, boy. Hope you got mine. That one, I know it's fixing to get up.
Get out of here.
Wow! They're coming! Wow! Ah! Dog, get out here! Little piece of crap. Wanna find me?
It's not even funny.
It's getting up!
How's it still? She's still alive. Whatever it is.
Shoot it! Whatever it is! Shoot it! Go! Run! Somebody's in the head! Gotta keep our feet on! They're gonna eat the camera girl!